All right, let's go to part 2 of my newer 372 XP build. So anyways, here's the intake, or here's the cylinder. Strike that. You can see kind of the exhaust kind of broke the shaft on my special knockoff Fordham tool, so I got to get a new shaft. So my sanding come to a abrupt halt, but it was actually not too bad. Kind of see that it's a little shiny there. You can kind of see these marks up here. It was just me kind of screwing around with the burring bits to take off some casting, hopefully to reduce buildup of any sawdust and oils and that kind of stuff. I'm probably, off my rocker, but I was messing around. So anyways, here's the cylinder. As you can kind of see, I did cut the skirts down a little bit. Did a little bit, not a whole lot. Most of it was in there to that interior divider kind of area, and then kind of beveled edge a little bit. Kind of see, I went in there, did a little bit of work to the upper transfers. You can kind of see my intake a little bit around. On this one, I didn't get crazy with going all the way around and making it real huge. And then as you can kind of see, it's rougher in there. Kind of did just a little bit of shaping and then take a little bit off the bottom in combination with taking some off the piston. So actually it's a little bit deeper. It's going to be 81 checking it, and this isn't final assembled with some motor seal gasket in there. And so but I believe it's going to fall right at 81 on degrees of opening, so that's going to give me 162 total duration of intake timing. We'll see how that goes. I haven't had one with that much intake, and so yeah, like Will said, it's going to be interesting. I hit my mark pretty good on my exhaust side. That one turned out to be right at 100, so that's nice. I got a degree more than I anticipated, so it's sitting at 123 for the transfers, sitting down in there looking at it. So that's where the piston opened up. As I said, basically taking this bottom little lip off a little bit to get a combination of my intake, but I also matched it on the exhaust side so that I don't have any weirdness with the possibility of piston rock. So hopefully it's even, its sound is going to go there. Like I said I was going to do, I was going to drill some holes to provide some window ports. Looking at it, not sure if this is the right idea, but I'm going to give it a go, right? So we'll see how this turns out. Not very big. Like I said, just a little bit of drill holes, provide a little bit of possibility, kind of like an open window port, say like something like this. Of course, this is out of a I think this is out of a 268, and so this was one that I had. So looking at it there, the ports are completely different when you get into the cylinder, so it'll be interesting to see if this works out. All we can do is experiment, right? So anyways, enjoy, and we'll catch you on the next one. Here it is. Gonna go back together, and hopefully I'll have sealed this up, let it sit for a day, and then continue on putting it all together. I'm sure there's a million videos of the 372, so I'm not going to show you too much more of the progress of there. But like I said, the numbers should turn out. It should be going to be right at 100 on the exhaust. It's going to be 123 on the transfers, and then intake is going to be sitting at 81. So, and we'll see how this piston turns out. Anyways, enjoy. Have a splendid day. Bye.